today. This is finally getting torn down most of the way. Yesterday, I took out all of the bolts for the timing cover. Now I have to get these bad boys out. And they are 17 millimeters, and I didn't have an impact last night, so I couldn't get to them. I mean, I can get to them. It's just every time you go to crank on it without the shock of an impact, excuse me, it just turns the cams over. So big waste of time. But for the most part, I have I'm pretty sure actually I have everything for the timing cover off except this one bolt right there, as you can see. And it will not come out without these sprockets out of the way, the way you want to call them, gears. But today, my goal and the hope is to have the heads off of this motor. If we don't drop pistons, yada yada yada, who cares? But I don't know. We'll find out soon. On the 30th, I order my my kit to. It's just a $500 kit that I'm gonna order. That will come with my rod bearings and my gaskets, and it comes with brand new pistons and piston rings, and it comes with a brand new timing set and everything. So this will be a 0-mile motor when I am done, and I am very excited for it. So should run really good. I'm hoping it doesn't burn any oil or anything stupid like that. So I don't know. I am going to get to work now, and I will update you guys. Actually, real fast first. I had to move this thing so that this could be parked here. But she's looking all pretty over there. But every time I would turn, my power steering would overflow, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on. I don't know. We'll address it when we get there. The main concern right now is the motor, so I'm gonna get into that. And it is now a completely different day. Sorry for it being super dark now. I'll try and record like this. But I did end up getting the timing cover completely off, and that motor is a long block right now. It still has heads and cams on it, which the heads are for sale. So if anyone needs heads off of a 2003 Altima with an EGR port or EGR heads, I have them. So I will have the cams from my G35 up for sale as well. I have a whole bunch of parts, so hit me up if you need pretty much anything for an Altima VQ35. So, damn, it's dark. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of parts for that, but long story short, I have pretty much everything ready to go. I will put it up on the screen to somewhere around here. I did just yesterday order the rebuild kit for the VQ35, which was $502, so that's hurting the bank a little bit. I still have to buy main studs as well, which is another $200. So we're getting close. The end of August, this car will be running, and it'll be running beautifully. We did find out too that my spark plugs were so incredibly gapped that I was probably getting 1, terrible gas mileage, 2, a misfire, and 3, the car was just a dog. Just so damn slow because of that. So that's probably why that car didn't have the punch it was supposed to have. But the Altima had some NGKRs in it that looked beautiful. Those plugs just looked amazing. So they looked like they were just put in the car. The whole motor almost looked like it was rebuilt. We could tell it was resealed by someone else. It wasn't factory sealed. But we think the entire motor was rebuilt, and then the car that I got it from was wrecked. So it only went through 1 full oil change, because not even the oil really looked that dark. So we're thinking that it's almost a completely rebuilt VQ that is just been in a wrecked car. So my car should run absolutely great. We will have new pistons, new gaskets, rings, head gaskets, everything. Just absolutely everything will be brand new in that motor. I am painting the block and the outside of the heads as well, kind of like a Nardo gray color, just because I like it. And then the engine bay is going to be painted black, so that gray should really pop in there. But yeah, it'll be fun. I've decided that I'm going to polish my plenum, or maybe. It's either going polished or black, no in between. So I will keep you guys updated on what I do with the car, but as of right now, it is at a standstill and sitting until August 8th. So I probably won't be getting out a whole bunch of content. I'll try to get some out. I do want to apologize for the lack of uploads. We had a family matter come up with some things that I cannot describe on here, but we had some serious things come up and I had to take care of them, being the older brother. That's all I have to say. So, I haven't really been too active on here. I have been a little more active on TikTok. I will put my TikTok up here. If you guys like more lifting instead of car stuff, that's where you can find me, because I go to the gym every day and I post there every single day that I can, which is a few times a week. So if you guys want to see more of me, I will put my TikTok up on the screen. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update as to what is going on. The G35 is still in process. I have not given up on it just yet. I will someday, but today is not that day. But the rebuild kit has been ordered, and then my little brother was just recently given a 2004 Subaru WRX wagon. So maybe I'll try and get some of that content on this channel as well. And my other friend has a 2003 Subaru WRX wagon. So we got a bug eye and we got a blob eye. And if you guys would like to see any content with those or anything like that, you let me know down below, because I will get them included in on this channel as well, so I can be as diverse as possible with the cars that I have on hand. So just let me know down below what you would like to see. If you guys would like to see any Subaru content, I'm sure I can make it happen. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, please. I'm still trying to hit that subscriber goal, but I did not reach it by the end of this month, which was kind of disappointing. I realize I have not been pumping out the most exciting content lately. The car's been broken, so I can't post my revving or any racing or anything of the sort. But I'm trying my best for you guys. I am getting a video out for you today. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, please subscribe. Comment down below what you would like to see. What would you like to see me go down into depth in and everything. I have not gotten any comments like that, so I don't know what you guys want to see. But please let me know if you do see this video, and comment down below. I will look at them. I'll look at all of them. There's very few of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said again, please remember, subscribe, thumbs up. I'm having a really tough time thinking of content right now, but I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.